How to fix CapCut too many or using this feature now, try again later problem. So if you want to fix CapCut too many or using this feature now, try again later problem, then what you need to do is you need to just open up your CapCut application. And if you're trying to use any feature, like if you're trying to use any templates or any features, and if it says that too many are using this feature right now, then what you need to do is you need to just go back, tap and hold on to your CapCut, and then go with your app info. Tap on clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. This might fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is scroll down, go with permissions, go with app permissions, and make sure that you allowed all of the permissions like microphone, music and audio, camera, photos and videos, and notification. Tap on allow while using the application, and after selecting allow, your problem might be fixed. Allow all of the permissions, and that's it. If this still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go with your Play Store, go with your search. Under search, you need to search for TikTok. After searching, you need to go with update if you have any updates. And after updating, the problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.